This is a 42-inch CEC Georgian top-mounted spinner that I got at the Habitat Home Center for $8, just like the 36-inch one. And the shade didn't come with it, so it's just the closest one I had that fits on there. But it works really great. Look at that, it works. And the fan as well. It's 3 speeds, reversible. And here it is. You can see it needs some blade balancing. It runs like a handsome baked gravy. Nah, just kidding, although that is how mine runs. That needs some blade balancing as well. Next time I'm in Willis, I'll film that one. Once again, the wobbling. And off. So there you have it, the 42-inch CEC Georgian top-mounted spinner. And I hope you enjoyed.